This is NDTV. And you're watching Metro Nation Delhi.
Good evening and welcome to the show. Today we've come to Gurgaon to one of its earliest restaurants. Yes, it's Zafran at the Bristol, and before Gurgaon got saturated with all its restaurants, this was one of the first 8 years ago. And this is Mr. Akhtar, and he's going to tell us more about Zafran. So Zafran came out 8 years ago.
Yeah, it came 8 years ago, and it is presently it is the oldest fine dining restaurant in Gurgaon, and the most happening place in Gurgaon.
Well, and what kind of cuisine is it serving?
It is mainly is Awadh cuisine is here,
Awadhi cuisine?
and it's more of the Indian cuisines here.
North Indian kind of food. And what kind of clientele is there?
As a majority of the clientele is from the corporate, nearby residents, and it is all from the foreigners.
So do Indians also come?
Yeah, definitely. The Indians
Indians
come, a lot
also
of Indian
come.
comes, yeah.
And what about the decor hasn't changed, right? The menu hasn't changed over the last few years. Do you have any plans of changing it, refurbishing it?
In fact, we had designed this restaurant based on the feel from the requirement from the public, and we have done the interior according to the demand from the public.
Okay.
And from the different corporates, and we are trying to retain it. And very soon, in case if we get any kind of the feedback from our guests, then we will be refurbishing it also.
Oh, wonderful. If you guys have any feedback about the decor, menu, ambience, please let Mr. Akhtar or anybody at Bristol know. Anyway, sir, we also have a certificate for you.
Thank you very
saying
much.
that Zafran came on Feeding Frenzy. Well, thank you very much for being on the show, and we shall find out more about Zafran. Here are my guests. And this is Mohit. Mohit was an avid viewer of Feeding Frenzy, and that's Sagar. Sagar too was an avid viewer. Both of them actually wrote in. And this Karthikeya, he's not that much of an avid viewer, but he's an avid foodie.
Yes, I am, as you can see.
Where do you're studying, Mohit? What are you studying?
BTech.
BTech. And what are you going to become after BTech?
Of course, engineer.
Engineer. And what are you studying, Sagar?
I'm studying computer engineering.
So you'll also become an engineer?
To be engineer.
Are you an engineer by any chance, Karthikeya?
I am not. I'm a simple BCom honors graduate from Delhi University. I work in the BPO industry.
So, when did you join the BPO industry?
At its nascent stage itself, 9 years odd back or so, I joined as a plain fresher as such, and my only thing of joining a BPO was just to get some more money, pocket money, but I stayed on. It's been very fruitful.
So do you see a huge change in the BPO, the people who joined it, like you as a fresher and the freshers who are joining it now?
Yes, right now I guess the freshers have too many choices on their hands with regards to even joining a BPO. Earlier it was only G at that point of time when I joined in. So yes, a little bit of paradigm change altogether.
What about you guys? You guys are young. Why did you decide to do BTech or engineering? Why not go into BPO?
Actually,
You actually work in a BPO.
no, not at all. I like engineering, so
मम्मी पापा ने नहीं बोला.
no. It's not that way. Actually, I took it on my own.
You took it? What
It was
about
my
you, Sagar?
choice.
Actually, I want to have one professional degree with me. So that's why I chose engineering first, and then later on maybe I'll go abroad for my further studies.
You could have become a chef. Hotel management भी professional degree है. नहीं.
So yeah,
But you like eating?
I'm a big time foodie.
You're a big time food.
Yeah.
What about you?
I always have an
You
appetite
don't
for
look like
non-veg.
you have an appetite.
No, but
It seems Karthikeya took your appetite. So anyway, talking about appetites, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the kitchen right now. I'm going to meet Chef Bhatnagar, and he's going to be cooking some funky things for us, and we shall come back to the table with some more food. Okay. So here I am inside the kitchen of Zafran, and I'm with Chef Arshi Naeem Khan. And Chef, there's a kebab festival going on.
Yeah.
Right? Now there's a kebab and a beer festival. So basically, there's a non-vegetarian package and a vegetarian package. And if you offer the non-vegetarian package, there are 4 kebabs, and vegetarian also has 4 kebabs, and unlimited kebabs and unlimited beer also. Yeah. Now what we have is one kebab each from the non-vegetarian and the vegetarian platters. So we'll first look at the vegetarian kebab. It is this
This is a Gulnar kebab.
Gulnar kebab. What is a Gulnar kebab?
Gulnar is a raw papaya or banana.
Raw banana.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a raw banana.
Kacha kela.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can't eat this right now.
No.
No. Anyway, what do we do with the raw banana?
फर्स्ट सबसे पहले हमने इसको रॉ पपाया लिया, उसको ब्लांच किया, ब्लांच करने के बाद उसको छीला, छीलने के बाद उसको चना की दाल और आपका जिंजर गार्लिक इंडियन होल स्पाइसेस इसको मिला के हमने अच्छे से इसको वो कर लिया, बॉईल कर लिया।
ठीक है, एक मिनट। केला केले के साथ
केला तो सब सेपरेट किया, चने की दाल, उसके बाद जिंजर एंड गार्लिक एंड इंडियन होल स्पाइसेस, इसको
मतलब शाही
इलायची एंड बिग कार्डेमम, cinnamon stick and bay leaf,
okay,
and potato.
So basically we've taken around 4-5 items including the banana and the whole spices and we have boiled it.
Then उसके बाद हमने इसको अच्छे से भुना।
तो बॉईल करके then we make it into
क्योंकि गीला हो जाता है उसको हम भूनते हैं ना,
तो एकदम मैश कर देते हैं।
मैश हो जाता है।
So after boiling we kind of mix it and mash it and then we भूनो it।
भुनना।
How long do we भूनो it? कितना पकाते हैं?
इसको 15 से 15 मिनट।
15 मिनट पकाते हैं, तो मतलब पूरा पक जाता है।
एक्चुअली वो बॉईल करा हुआ रहता है, उसको हम लोग पीस लेते हैं, कीमा मशीन से पीस लेते हैं। पीसने के बाद हम लोग सबसे पहले उसमें तेल लेंगे, तेल के अंदर हमने शाही जीरा, उसके बाद डालने के बाद जिंजर गार्लिक चॉप एंड ग्रीन चिली चॉप एंड हरा धनिया उसको डाल के अच्छे से इसको जो हमारा मिक्सचर है, हमारा कीमा निकला उसको डाल के अच्छे से भुनेंगे। भुनने के बाद देखेंगे हमारा बिल्कुल सूख जाएगा, गीलापन होता है पानी का वो सब सूख जाएगा,
तेल अलग।
राइट। सूखने के बाद उसको हम टिक्की बनाएंगे जस्ट लाइक दिस। इसको टिक्की बनाया, टिक्की बनाने के बाद हमने इसको, ये है हमारा खसखस
which is poppy seeds.
दिस इज खसखस। इसको हम इसमें खसखस में करके तो हम डीप फ्राई करेंगे इसको,
तो कोट करके,
राइट।
So basically, let me get this right. The poor banana is first being blanched, then it's being boiled, then it's being bhunoed, and then it's being deep fried. It's a bad season to be a kacha kela. But anyway, if you are one, then you turn out to be a Gulnar kebab and looks really nice. And this is like a vegetarian shami, but with a lot of difference. Do you like it? आपको अच्छा लगता है?
जी अच्छा लगता है।
सबसे अच्छा ये लगता है पनीर टिक्का।
ये अच्छा लगता है मेरे को।
क्यों?
क्योंकि बहुत स्पेशल मैंने बनाया इसका अलग से कोई केला का इतना कोई बनाता नहीं है, केला का स्पेशलिटी है इसमें बनाने का।
चलो शेफ बता रहे पर मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है।
आप चेक करके
शेफ के दिमाग में कुछ नहीं, मुझे तो अच्छा लगेगा, पर मैं सोचा था आपको अच्छा लगता है कि नहीं। चलो अब केले से निकल के कहीं और चलते हैं, और वो है इस प्लेटर पे
जी।
और इस प्लेटर पे क्या है?
ये है हमारा मुर्ग नवाबी कबाब।
मुर्ग नवाबी
कबाब,
ठीक है
जी। सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया इसका, सबसे पहले चिकन लेग बोनलेस हमने पीस लिया।
चिकन लेग बोनलेस, सिर्फ
चिकन लेग बोनलेस। इसमें लेग बोनलेस बहुत अच्छा स्वाद होता है, बहुत जूसी होता है और बहुत ही टेस्ट होता है इसमें लेग बोनलेस।
ब्रेस्ट क्यों नहीं लिया?
ब्रेस्ट में बिल्कुल ड्राई रहता है, सूखा रहता है, उसमें टेस्ट नहीं ज़्यादा रहता।
ठीक है, तो आप सब चिकन ब्रेस्ट जो सब फेंक देते हो ना, उसे इस्तेमाल ही नहीं करते हो ना?
इस्तेमाल और क्वांटिटी वगैरह में होता है वो।
अच्छा, क्वांटिटी में, इंडियन में नहीं?
इंडियन में नहीं होता। उसमें ये है कि सबसे पहले हमने लेग बोनलेस लिया, उसमें जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट एंड वाइट पेपर एंड सॉल्ट एंड लेमन जूस।
तो ये फर्स्ट मैरिनेशन
जी, फर्स्ट मैरिनेशन है। इसमें हमने लेमन एंड सॉल्ट एंड वाइट पेपर एंड काजू पेस्ट।
नहीं, फर्स्ट मैरिनेशन में
लेमन जूस,
सॉल्ट पेपर
जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट।
और कितनी देर के लिए फर्स्ट मैरिनेशन रखा है?
25 मिनट्स।
25 मिनट्स। और उसके बाद सेकंड मैरिनेशन
में हम लेंगे सबसे पहले काजू पेस्ट एंड हैंकर्ड एंड क्रीम। उसके बाद हम सेकंड मैरिनेशन के मिलाने के बाद, तीनों चीज़ें मिलाने के बाद इसको हम चिकन टिक्का में डाल देंगे, सेकंड मैरिनेशन हो जाएगा।
ठीक है,
उसके बाद
तो ये पेस्ट है,
ये काजू पेस्ट।
So basically, now the first marination happened with the ginger garlic and the lemon juice and salt and pepper, and that's how it turned out. Then we took cashew nuts, hung curd. Basically, we've hung curd, let the whey come out, and it's become thicker, and cream, and then mixed it to this consistency. Salt and pepper in this also? No salt and pepper. Then we've added the chicken tikka after the first marination into this. Yes?
देन उसके बाद हम सेकंड मैरिनेशन करने के बाद उसको हम अपने सरिया में लगाएंगे, उस तंदूर में लगाएंगे। तंदूर में लगाने के बाद जैसे ही हम देखेंगे 60-70% हमारा हो गया है, उसके बाद हम ये दिस इज एग वाइट।
अच्छा,
एग वाइट को ऊपर से हम कोटिंग करेंगे इसकी। कोटिंग करने के बाद क्या होगा, ये सब उसका सॉफ्ट बनाएगा ऊपर से, बहुत अलग ही जो स्वादिष्ट
और
खाना होगा।
टेक्सचर भी
हाँ,
आता है।
टेक्सचर आएगा, सॉफ्ट बनाएगा, इसका एक अलग ही मजा होगा।
और फिर
उसके बाद हम
निकाल के?
80% होने के बाद उसको एग डालेंगे। एग डालने के बाद ये आपका रहेगा। उसके बाद हम हरा धनिया ऊपर से गार्निशिंग कर
और
सकते
थोड़ा
हैं
क्रीम।
जी, थोड़ा क्रीम।
एक चीज़ बताओ शेफ, आपने कबाब निकाल लिया तंदूर में से, उसके बाद जब आप क्रीम डालते हो वैसे ही वो एग वाइट के वजह से वो थोड़ा क्रिस्पी भी है, बाहर से अंदर से सॉफ्ट है। जैसे ही आप क्रीम डालते हो और जब तक ये टेबल में जाता है, ये सॉगी नहीं बन जाता है?
ये सॉगी तो नहीं, सॉगी ये सॉफ्ट होता है कि सो सॉफ्ट रखना।
पर वो
नवाबी जो है,
पर वो एग वाइट का जो कवरिंग आपने
जी, जी।
इतने प्यार से 80% डन होने के बाद जो डाला है वो
एक्चुअली इसका वाइट कलर होता है, इसलिए मैंने क्रीम डाला ऊपर से थोड़ा वाइट कलर लाने के लिए।
ठीक है। So it seemed that Chef Khan here is a little more passionate about this because when I was asking him, you could actually see प्यार
राइस
चिकन नवाबी टिक्के के लिए। गुलनार कबाब में उतना प्यार नहीं था, सच बताओ शेफ। अच्छा, इन दोनों में से आपको कौन सा अच्छा लगता है?
वैसे तो फर्स्ट नॉन वेज को करूँगा, मैं नॉन वेज ज़्यादा लाइक करता हूँ। और वेज
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं अलीगढ़ से।
आप अलीगढ़ से?
और जो अगर सपोज नॉन वेज नहीं खाते हैं तो उसके लिए कबाब, ये गुलनार कबाब है आपके बनाना, रॉ बनाना के घर में।
We have two kebabs which are both very different and we will be having them on the table. We're also going to have a lot more food and that you will find out only when you come back after break. Welcome back. We're here inside the kitchen of Zafran, the Indian restaurant at the Bristol Hotel in Gurgaon. And I'm here with Chef Khan and we're about to cook something else. What are we cooking, Chef?
नॉन वेज में हम बना रहे हैं अब्दी नली गोश्त।
अब्दी नली गोश्त?
अब्दी नली गोश्त।
Basically, nali is marrows.
या एंड सेकंड है हमारा ताल मखाना,
ताल
वेजिटेबल है। इसमें मटर है हमारा, ये मखाने हैं, कैप्सिकम ग्रीन एंड दिस इज येलो कैप्सिकम एंड दिस इज अ टमाटो एंड मशरूम एंड पनीर।
Okay, let's start.
दिस इज अ अब्दी नली।
So we are making the makhana.
या
तो किससे शुरू कर रहे हैं हम?
स्टार्ट हम कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले बना रहे हैं हम ताल मखाना। सबसे पहले हम ऑयल लेंगे,
ऑयल को डालेंगे फ्राइंग पैन में
फ्राई पैन में ऑयल डाला
और गरम
ऑयल हमारा
करेंगे।
गरम करा। ऑयल गरम करने के बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे क्यूमिन सीड,
जीरा डाल दिया।
ज़ीरा हमने इसमें डाल दिया। ज़ीरा देखिए अब हमारा सौते हो गया। इसके बाद हम डालेंगे अब कैप्सिकम, ग्रीन कैप्सिकम डाला,
डाइस्ड ग्रीन
या
कैप्सिकम, येलो कैप्सिकम,
येलो कैप्सिकम डालेंगे,
फिर टमाटर,
या देन टमाटो, इसको हम सौते करेंगे।
तो शेफ जिंजर गार्लिक इसमें नहीं डाल रहे हैं
जिंजर गार्लिक नहीं डाल रहे हैं
और मसाले, दूसरे मसाले भी कुछ नहीं डाल रहे हैं?
मसाले भी हम डालेंगे, भी दिखाएंगे आपको।
अभी डालेंगे
जी, अभी तो हमने इसको सौते कर लिया।
तो नाउ वी जस्ट एडेड जीरा एंड द टू काइंड्स ऑफ पेपर एंड टोमेटो
जस्ट अब इसके बाद डालेंगे मशरूम
एंड द मशरूम्स,
देन
द मटर,
मटर,
द ग्रीन पेस,
ग्रीन पीस। इसको भी अच्छे से हम मिला लेंगे। देन ऐड सॉल्ट,
एड सॉल्ट,
ऐड टू टेस्ट। देन आफ्टर टर्मरिक
हल्दी।
पाउडर, रेड चिली पाउडर, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, देन गरम मसाला।
that's it.
Yeah.
So we've added salt, haldi, some dhania powder, red chili powder and garam masala.
गरम मसाला।
And now it's looking, it's resembling some kind of food, cooked food.
देन ऐड
The मखाने
मखाने।
आखिर में,
या
और मखाने को फ्राई किए हुए हैं।
फ्राई किया।
So it's a very easy dish to make.
या
और लास्ट में क्या डाल रहे हैं? ब्राउन अनियन पेस्ट,
नो नो, दिस इज
Then?
अब्दी ग्रेवी।
अवधी ग्रेवी।
अब्दी ग्रेवी
किस चीज़ से बनाया
ये
अवधी
बनाया
ग्रेवी?
हमने चार मगज एंड काजू, इसको फ्राई कर लिया गोल्डन कलर में, एंड ब्राउन ओनियन फ्राई कर लिया गोल्डन कलर में, उसको हमने पीस लिया।
तो चार मगज पेस्ट, काजू पेस्ट और ब्राउन अनियन
ब्राउन
पेस्ट
ओनियन पेस्ट and then
पीस
curd.
दिया और दही के साथ.
दही के साथ.
So it's
ये हम
basically a brown onion. It's like a brown onion paste with some charmangas added.
Right. Then the add हम
Tomato
कर रहे हैं टमाटो मखनी ग्रेवी बोलते हैं हम लोग. इसको मखनी ग्रेवी हम लोग ब्लांच करके टमाटर ब्लांच करके इसमें काजू ग्रीन चिली ये सब डाल के पेस्ट बनाते हैं.
So basically, two master gravies are being added right at the end. One is the avdi, which is a mix of a brown onion paste with some charmangas paste, and then there's the tomato-based one.
ये हमारा पिका हो चुका है, बिल्कुल तैयार है.
चलो ये तैयार है.
ये बिल्कुल हमारा तैयार है. अब इसके बाद हम
नली बनाएंगे.
नली बनाएंगे. ये हम आपको दिखा देते हैं किस तरीके से इसमें डाल के गार्निशिंग करना है.
बस गार्निशिंग तो बाद में हो जाएगा, नली पहले बना लेते हैं.
गार्निशिंग दिखा देते, एक आइटम पूरा करके दिखा देते हैं कंप्लीट.
चलो.
ये हमने इसमें क्रीम गार्निशिंग किया.
शेफ को क्रीम बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
देन
रोगन,
आफ्टर दैट
अदरक, julienne of अदरक, some धनिया,
धनिया
and some green chilies.
ग्रीन चिली. ये हमारा ताल मखाना रेडी हो. अब सेकंड हम बनाएंगे अवधी नली गोश्त.
अवधी नली गोश्त.
अवधी नली गोश्त.
So we've got the नली, but ये नली तो पका हुआ है.
जी नली हमने इसको भुना हुआ है.
भुना
जिंजर
हुआ?
गार्लिक पेस्ट में भुना हुआ है इसको.
So only the bones are being used for the marrow. Oh, check out chef's lighter.
इसके बाद हम अवधी नली बना रहे हैं. हल्का सा तेल डाला.
Is this huge? थोड़ा सा तेल, बहुत कम तेल, ज़्यादा नहीं. और
इसमें हम अवधी ग्रेवी लेंगे.
which again is the charmangas
जी.
paste and the brown onion paste.
दिस इज अवधी ग्रेवी.
Red tomato.
टमाटो ग्रेवी, टमाटो ग्रेवी, मखनी ग्रेवी. देन
And the nali.
ऐड नली. इसको हम अच्छे से मिलाएंगे.
So अब इसमें कुछ मसाले डालेंगे.
कुछ मसाले नहीं वैसे डले हुए हैं ऑलरेडी. और हल्का सा इसमें सॉल्ट और हल्का सा गरम मसाला डालेंगे.
थोड़ा सा.
जी.
And that is it. That is what we'll end. So basically, this is one of the quickest things to take out, and this is one of the
salt हो गया.
specialities. A little bit of salt,
देन ये हमारा इलायची जावित्री पाउडर है.
elaichi and
इलायची
jawatri
एंड
powder.
जावित्री पाउडर
Okay.
थोड़ा सा डालेंगे.
Lovely smell coming out. So chef is going to continue making the nali. The tal makhane is done, and we're going to be eating all this at the table. Well, quite a spread we have here. This is the gulnar kebab and the nawabi tikkas, and that is the dhania murg with the avdi nali, and this is the tal makhane and the aloo charre and rotis and pratas. Shall we start? Of course. Come start. Let me start serving these to you guys, but you serve.
Okay.
This is gulnar kebab. It's made with kacha kela.
Oh, okay.
So this is something really interesting. Let me serve you one.
Thank you.
Sagar,
Yeah.
I'm going to be rude.
Thank you.
Fun. And this is covered with poppy seeds.
Okay. Food looks very tempting.
Food looks tempting.
Yes.
Well, hopefully it tastes nice also.
Yeah.
I'm
Hopefully.
feeling hungry too.
You're feeling hungry?
Yep, I am.
Mohit, if you didn't feel hungry with all this food in front of you, I would kill you. I would banish you from this show.
I already told you I have a good appetite for non-veg.
Good appetite. Yeah. But we don't know how do you stay thin? You go to the gym?
Yeah, sometimes. But actually I'm kind of athlete.
You're kind of an athlete? What games do you play?
I do swimming and I play badminton and football as well.
Are you regular with it?
I'm regular with my swimming and football.
Yeah?
Yep,
So are you watching the tournament which is going on, football tournament?
of course. Euro 2008.
Oh, that's it. I have no idea about football. So,
Okay.
Kartika, you haven't had the nali.
Actually, yes.
So what kind of food do you like, Kartika?
I guess being a true blood Punjabi, it's mostly Mughlai. So I guess this is the right place for me to come as such.
And you work in Gurgaon.
I do work in Gurgaon.
Kyun Sagar?
Thank you.
Why aren't you eating?
I'm eating. Why aren't you eating?
I'm serving. I'm busy serving myself.
Okay.
So where do you usually go out, Karthike, in Gurgaon?
Couple of nice places out here. One obviously is Kebab Factory.
The
It's
great
pretty close
Kebab
by.
Factory. Yeah.
Lemon Tree is another one of our daily jaunts as such.
Yeah.
Again, I've been to Bristol quite many times. They do have a good midnight buffet in one of their coffee shops out here.
Yeah.
So
Do you guys go out a lot?
Yeah, a lot.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. Where do you go?
Actually, I stay in Delhi, so I stay in Rajouri Garden, near Rajouri Garden. So mostly I go in Rajouri Garden only. I go to Gola's. I love the Sizzlers.
You don't like Chinese food? There's
I
lots of
like
nice
Chinese food,
there.
yeah. The Bokos, Burkos. It's good.
Yeah.
And I go to Punjabi by nature for the Punjabi one.
For the Punjabi food.
Yeah.
What about you, man?
You have all kinds of restaurants lined up in the Rajouri Garden, and now we have malls also.
Now you have malls also, yeah.
Yeah.
You have huge malls, in fact,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and some very nice restaurants in the malls. But tell me something. We eat Indian food every day at our houses. When you guys go out, do you feel like kebabs? I can understand. घर पे kebab नहीं बनते हैं. पर बाहर जा रहे हो तो do you feel like ordering stuff which घर पे भी तो मम्मी और अच्छी तरह से बनाती है.
yeah, actually, we do feel like it. That's why I guess you have a restaurant opening every now and then next to your locality. Again, a simple thing. For example, this aloo sabji. We do have aloo sabji at home as well, but some of the flavors, the flavor is totally different from what my mom used to cook or something like that. So yes, you try again this kela kebab. We haven't tried in our life before.
And you still haven't tried it.
No, I am about to try it.
Tell me, you're very partial towards non-vegetarian. No?
I am.
Same here.
How did we know? Yes, have your kela kebab first. Before you have your kela kebab, you aren't allowed to touch anything. You too. Look at me, I've had my kela kebab first.
Okay, okay. It's fine. I'll have
Disobedient kids. The poppy seed covering gives it a nice crunch thing. But
Yeah.
if I was coming here,
crunchy feeling.
yeah, if I was coming here, I wouldn't kind of order the kela kebab unless there was nothing else to eat.
Yeah, kela kebab. But I think that what you said to it, Mughlai,
Malai, Nawabi.
Nawabi, yeah, it was nice.
Actually, the Nawabi thing was much better than this kela kebab.
Because it's chicken.
Yeah, no, that's one thing. The other is it's a little on the, I don't know how to put it, drier side. It's very dry as well.
Yeah, that's it. Crunchy kind of.
I'm finding everything very tasty.
You're finding everything very tasty? Now this kela kebab, the poor kela has been cooked 4 times. First it was blanched, then it was boiled, then it was sauteed, bhunod, and then it was fried.
No wonder why you're calling it a poor kela.
So once after it's gone through so many of these poor ordeals, if it doesn't turn out dry, I wonder what will turn out. How do you guys like the nalika curry? Of the nalika?
I haven't tasted it now.
What's this kind of.
So Mohit, sum up. What do you like? What all you haven't tasted everything, but what you've tasted, what you like and what you don't like.
Actually, I'm not quite good with kela kebab, I don't think so. I wouldn't like ordering this. But yeah, that Mughlai Nawabi was fine. And I'm not tasted it yet. But this thing, what I'm having it a gobi or something.
Dal makhane.
What?
Dal makhane.
Dal makhane. Yeah, it's nice. Very
It's
nice.
nice. What about you?
I'm finding everything good, but this tikka is really delicious.
You're finding everything good, but
Yeah.
the tikka is really delicious.
The main course veg dishes are pretty much equal to the non-veg stuff.
Yeah, I think that's true. Both the aloo and the dal makhane are really tasty, and so are the nalli and the dhania mur. Though I can't taste too much of a dhania, though I can see the color. The chicken is by far the winner,
Yes.
And I think on the losing side will be kela kebab.
and on the losing side, as a sportsman, he likes to put it in nice things, is the kela kebab. But remember, it's up to you. You come here, taste it. Maybe your taste differ from us. Who knows? And if you're coming here, remember, it's around 1,200 rupees for 2 people for vegetarians and 1,400 for non-vegetarians. Well, thank you very much. We shall continue, keep feeding these people, and you guys go away. I shall see you next time. Don't forget to write into us at metronation@ndtv.com. And who knows, you might be sitting in place of them. Bye-bye.